Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today is my lucky box unboxing. I got the XL. I'm a little concerned though because this is the box, and as you can see, it's not very big. It's smaller than my previous lucky bags, and I think it's smaller than, I know it's smaller than the box that I got last year, which I got XL for the first time last year. So I'm hoping that it's all good and everything, like that I got a good box. So fingers crossed here. I have not opened it at all yet. Let's unseal it. Before I get started though, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Let me know if you got a lucky bag and what you got in yours. And yeah, just let me know how you're doing, what you think of what I got too. Breaking in here for two things. One, I paid $150 for this XL bag plus $20 shipping. It's supposed to have a retail value of at least $300 worth of product, and you can get extra lucky bags if they, you know, have extra stuff in them or have like an excessive value. I don't really know like what those are. I don't know if I've ever seen like an extra lucky bag. So let me know if you think that there's an extra lucky bag or not. And then also, if you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I do unboxings, I do beauty hauls, I do a lot with Bath & Body Works and also fragrance. So if that interests you, please do consider subscribing. Okay, so opened it up. I didn't want to show my address. This is, it looks like Maria packed my box, and we have the little Lucky Bag 2025 card here and the paper. Let's take this off very carefully. Don't want to ruin the paper. It says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." So we have there, and then the front side of it has the little duck. It's very cute. I will say it is cute. And then we have the paper. I'm trying not to look. So let's see if I can get, no, everything's loose. It's not in a bag like it was last year where I could just like scoop out the paper. So we'll look at the paper at the end. All right, I have my trusty hand, like my butter knife to open things and everything else. So first up, I have a lip luster from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Luxe Color Rich Lip Lacquer, and it's in the shade High Society. And I also want to show you, like, this is how the box looks, so I can't see anything, just in case you're like, oh, can I see? No, I'm not peeking. We're going to open this like we would. All right. Oh, what is this? A lip lacquer. So it's like a lip gloss, I guess. It looks kind of like a lip gloss. It's very small. I don't know why I was expecting something larger. It's a nice color. It's definitely a color that I will wear. It's kind of similar, I feel like, to the Fenty Gloss Bomb that I'm wearing today. Pause just for a second so that I could grab some makeup wipes because I don't want to get lip gloss all over everything. So we're going to clean that off as we go. Okay, so that was the first item. Throw that over there. Then second item is from Botanic Prettify 5, just hand cream for all skin types. So that's what it looks like. I know nothing about this. I don't really get a scent from it. I'm not going to use it right now, but hand cream. Hopefully, like, I will look up prices here at the end. Ooh, I got a Sonia G brush. I know what these are now. That helps a lot. So that's what it is. I think I've seen other people get these in the past in their worker brushes. Like, so creasing and like blending is what I would assume. So I have that one. Then we have this one. This is a Kitsch recycled plastic claw clip one piece. So that's what it looks like. I don't wear hair claws just because I have so much hair. Sometimes I wear them if I'm like, my hair's in a messy bun and it's falling down. I'll just stick one on to make it stay. But my mom loves hair claws and she just broke one of hers. So I will be giving this to her the next time that I see her because she will definitely use that. All right, what do we have here? We have pimple patches. All right, so these are from Good Molecules. Blah. They're just hydrocolloid. They're not my favorite. I prefer something with like salicylic acid or something. I feel like those help my acne more, but I've heard that these are good for bug bites too, so maybe I will save them this time for bug bites because I have some other ones that are in like my pass along pile. Oh, how many do I get in there? Does it tell me? You probably would like to know that. There's 60 patches in there. That should last quite a while. Okay, down here we have the Verb Dandruff Shampoo. I don't suffer from dandruff. It does have salicylic acid in it, so that's nice. But it's a shampoo, so I'll probably rotate it in. I use shampoo, and my hair is like, I have a thin, fine hair, so it just, anything kind of works with it. Ooh, I got something from Auric. This is the Smoke Reflect Disrupt. I don't know anything like what the color is of this. I have seen people get these in the past, and they always look intriguing, but a little bit more than I normally would want to spend on something like that. So that's what it looks like. There is a shimmer on the top. That's a pretty shimmer. And then, oh, I was like, it's black. No, it's a cap. So, oh, I don't think it's supposed to do that. I think that's supposed to be in the container. Interesting. So we'll swatch from the bottom. Oh, it's like a jelly like substance, and we'll put it back, and yeah, that was different. So that's what that looks like. Go a little up close. Let's blend it out. It was a little patchy on just first swatch, so there you go. And then let's swatch the top shade. I think this is kind of a shade that I am likely to use. I've seen some other people get ones that are in years past that have been like smoky, and I'm not really a smoky person. That is very light. Can barely see that. And I know when my face is on screen, it tends to change colors. I like the bottom creamy one a little bit more. What do we got next? That seems like a big thing. So let's do this big thing. From Oribe, this is the Valley of Flowers Replenishing Body Wash. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize Oribe did body washes, I guess. And Valley of Flowers, I'm a little nervous because I'm not the biggest floral fan. Let's see, where's my knife? Okay. Oh, it's a pump bottle. Was not expecting that. It does not tell me what scent notes. It does not give me any scent notes at all. You would think Valley of Flowers, they would give you some scent notes. It's really light. It's slightly earthy. I get a little bit of flower, but not like a ton of florals in there. I will try to look up notes when I finish this and I get totals for everything. Okay, next up we have this guy. All right, so this is from Jouer. This is the Blush Bouquet in Rose Gold. I think I have one of these that they did years ago. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There's Marigold and Rose Petal. Those are pretty. I feel like I'm not going to swatch those because I don't have this. My one that I have is at my parents', and if it turns out that it's the same, I'm going to pass that one along. But it looks familiar, and I don't know if that's just because of the layout and stuff. But forgive me for not swatching that. Okay, last thing in here. Is that the last thing? Okay. Bubble wrap, not the bag that they usually do. Got more paper, and then let's look at the paper really fast before I show you the last thing. It's different. It's not the pattern that they've done in the past. I keep all of the paper that I've gotten. So we have like a little duck, and then we have him landing. Oh, maybe it's a journey. So I think we start here, and then we go here, and then we go here, and then we go there. Very cute. It's on the floor. All right, last thing I got is from Viseart. They are not my favorite brand. I've decluttered, I think, pretty much everything else that I own from them. All the smaller palettes. I've never gotten a big palette like this. So in here, how do you... This was confusing. It was not working. All right. Oh, and it's just a sheet of paper over it. It's all mattes. That is a lot of mattes. You would never need another matte in your life, I feel like. So it's kind of a gradient. This would be great if you were a makeup artist. I am not a makeup artist by any means. I probably will use it. I could use it in conjunction with like my single shadows, my super shocks. I love shimmer. Like I have a lot of shimmer on today even with it, but we'll swatch a couple. We'll swatch ones that are kind of colors I would gravitate towards. So like this one, definitely not into like those darks over there. Those are just not mine. I like medium tones and ooh, that one felt rough. I like medium tones and lighter tones and a lot of shimmers. So we'll do like that gray. Maybe we'll do this darker purple that's over there. So we'll give 4 swatches. They're a little powdery. I got some kick up on them. I don't know if you can see that. So there you go. Of all the things that I could have gotten, this is not exactly like what I'm most excited about. I was really hoping I'd get Natasha Denona because I've gotten those in the past boxes. I'm trying to blend those out a little bit. I was really hoping that I get another Natasha Denona, and I haven't been buying them because I got the retro in my box and I had already purchased it earlier in the year. So I was really hoping for one of those. Okay, so let's go over everything and then I will put a price at the bottom because I'm gonna have to do math. So what I think about them and also what their prices are. First up, we have the Charlotte Lip Luster, and this retails for $25. I'm looking at my computer. So $25 for this. I'm excited, like kind of excited. I don't love lip gloss. I am more of a full lipstick girl, but it's a good shade and I like Charlotte Tilbury, so not displeased with this by any means at all. This one's a little difficult. I couldn't find this on their site. The mini version of this, which is 8 grams, and this one is 11 grams, is $25. And this looks like it's a limited edition, so I don't think I have this one. So that's nice. The colors are wearable, I would say. We're gonna swatch this after all. Yeah, these are a little bit more shimmery, I think, than the other ones that I have. So they're pretty light. It's a good thing that I am pretty pale. That's all I can say is if I was darker skinned, that would probably not be the best, but something I definitely will use as well. Yeah, I even looked for this on their website and I couldn't find this in this size, so we're going with the $25, even though those are supposed to be for minis, but I don't, and there's a discrepancy. So anyway, weird. Good molecules. While these aren't my favorite, I'm glad I didn't get another toner. I got the toner a couple years ago and I find it too strong for my skin. I don't really enjoy using it. I'm trying to use it up and it's a very slow, gradual process because it stings and I don't enjoy that. So I am glad that I got something else from Good Molecules other than that. These retail for $8, so pretty good. You know, not exciting, but not something I'm not happy about either. This is a crease brush actually, so took me a minute to look it up, and also I found you can it's very light, but you can see that it says it's a crease brush and it does say Sonia G on it. So this is the Fundamental collection and this retails for $34. I'm happy to get a Sonia G brush. This is a different style than I have had in the past. All the other ones are like red, so you know, something a little different. I'm happy about that. The Auric retails for $40.25. That's such like a specific and odd price. I feel kind of 50-50 on this one. I'm glad to have something from Auric. I've heard about these. I'm not super impressed with what I saw today, but we'll see how they layer. And maybe I just need to learn how to use it a little bit better. But that shimmer on the top was kind of disappointing. Next up, the dandruff shampoo. Not my favorite, not something I'm super excited about, but something I will use even though I don't have dandruff, but it's better than having something for curly hair because I have very, very straight hair. So, you know, it is what it is, but not super exciting. This guy retails for $10. For myself, not excited, but something that my mom will use. So happy about that. Would not pay $10 for this. It does feel pretty sturdy, like it feels sturdier than some of her other ones that she's gotten in the past, but still, like, for one clip, $10 is a little bit more than I would normally pay. This crazy thing is worth $150. Would I ever pay $150? No. I do think maybe it's the packaging is weird. I don't know. Is it supposed to stand up or something? I don't know. Anyway, not the most exciting for me, kind of meh. I would have liked one of the Dennis and Myrick's that I know have been in the past, or Natasha Denona. That was what I was really, really hoping for. So Viseart kind of was like, wah wah. But I'm not unhappy with it. I'm still going to give it a go and try it, but just not something that I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited that I got it, you know? This guy retails for $54. There's no way in heck I would ever pay $54 for a body wash. That's insane. But let's look at the notes. The notes are supposed to be Bulgarian rose, peony petals, and warm amber. Okay. I don't really get any of those very strongly, so that's good because I'm not usually overly a floral type of person, but it's something that I will eventually use because I go through shower gels on the regular. This is 10.1 ounces, which is the same size as Bath & Body Works. And I go through about one Bath & Body Works shower gel a month. So this is about a month's worth of body wash for me. If it performs the same. It depends, like, because not all body washes perform the same, you know? And then finally, this hand cream is worth $27. There's no way in heck I would pay $27 for a hand cream, especially like this is 1.59 ounces. I mean, it's made in Japan, so fancy, but I buy them at Bath & Body Works when they're $1.95 or, you know, sometimes $2.95 if I'm really going crazy. So, wow, crazy. Let me add these all up. I'll put the total here at the bottom. Let me know. I think overall, like, there's stuff that I will use. Am I super excited about them? No. Am I, like, super disappointed? No, I'm not that either. So I'm happy about that I didn't get any duplicates. I didn't get anything that I'm just like, oh my gosh, I hate this so much. This is something I'll never use. I feel like I got a pretty good variety, and definitely none of these would I have purchased. Maybe the Charlotte Tilbury, maybe the Jouer blush, but nothing else would I have ever purchased in my life. So yeah, overall kind of fun. Not the best one that I've ever gotten, but not the worst either. Let me know what you got in yours. If you have a video, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.